Welcome to Mike and May Foster's Great Adventure. Oh, we're having an adventure today.
Every time we're passing this road,
Yeah.
it's traffic. This road is going to Cincinnati, right?
Yeah. I just heard on the CB the left lane's blocked.
Yeah, all the time.
So that's what this backup is. Back there a little ways there was a wreck over on the northbound side on a side road, not even on this interstate, and we were in a slowdown on the southbound side because everybody wanted to look over and see what was going on. So
Oh my.
we got through that and made it a little ways, and then this. Say the left lane's blocked, so I'm gonna stay right where I'm at.
I didn't have a typhoon because the rain is non-stop.
Yeah, I appreciate it. Okay, somebody just said on the CB it's right ahead of us. I can see the blue lights now. Actually, it doesn't look like any lanes are blocked. It's on the shoulder.
What is that there?
No, that's a
It's
cop car there.
Waiting for people.
Wow, there's a tow truck there.
Oh.
So the left lane's not even blocked. I mean, I get it. You got to slow down when there's something like this going on. You can't go barreling past that. So, I'd say that car hit the back of somebody. Well, and I see who they hit the back of, this truck. Said the hood was, I was about ready to say it looked like that hood went underneath an ICC bumper because it was all ripped to pieces. Alright, well, knock on wood, which is the only thing wood in this truck is my head. We need to get on 75 north, and that's it, 4.3 miles right on the other side of the bridge in Cincinnati. And then we can start to get away from the city a little bit. It is
We're
just
not going to city of Cincinnati?
no. Well, we'll see a little bit different part of the city, but not. We'll still, you'll be able to see the stadium from the bridge. But when we cross the bridge, we'll be going left instead of right like we normally do. And just getting out of here. I haven't traveled 75 north out of Cincinnati in a lot of years, but I don't know what the traffic will be like. I don't care anymore. I'm just gonna, we get through here, I get in the right lane and just set the cruise a little slower than everybody else. And let them worry about getting around me. It's just one of those days that, man, I really don't have to hurry in any segment of this because what it's going to come down to is how early we get to Nashville and how long we got to wait until Tuesday morning. So we're just going to chill. We get out there and get the AMAR load. As long as we're able to get that early. We're probably going to go to the Kansas City terminal and take about 12, 13, maybe 14 hours there. We got some wash we want to do.
Yeah.
There's a Dollar General not far from there we can bobtail to. Stock up on some things. We're down to half a roll of paper towels. I don't know, just some general items we keep in the truck, some milk, stuff like that. We can get a Dollar General. And May has some good way of finding Asian markets on her phone. I don't know if we'll have time if it's too far away, but maybe we can find one there around the terminal somewhere. We have chicken in our freezer, but we don't have any pork. So we'd like to get some pork. Get that in there. some of May's Asian vegetables, so she can cook up some yummy goodness for us. And then extension cord, honey. We gotta make sure we get an extension cord.
Yep.
Just one of them cheap ones. But
We got the boy.
yeah, they'll have those at Dollar General. But, all right. I'm not gonna end
It's
this.
not in Dollar General. It's not getting it.
Yeah, they'll have the extension cords there. We just need about, really just it's called a trailer cord. We need one just about 4 feet long. It doesn't have to be that long. Just something so you can cook down on the floor. But I'm not going to end this until we're out of Cincinnati. We'll just,
Some of the houses over there.
yeah, that there's apartments up on that hill.
1 mile.
That would
Keep to the left on
freaking
I-75
beautiful,
north.
overlooking Cincinnati. They're probably $1,000 a month cheaper than an apartment in Cincinnati because it's on the Kentucky side.
Yeah.
You guys didn't see them, but they're basically built right into the side of the mountain, overlooking the river valley, overlooking Cincinnati. Wouldn't be much to look at today, I don't think. That hotel there at Radisson, I stayed in a Ramada up in up in close, actually it was just in Maine, around Portland, Maine.
But is that old now?
Yeah, it's fairly old. I stayed in one in Portland, Maine. It was round like that. It was a Ramada. It was the last, that hotel was the last place that Elvis stayed before he went to Vegas, and they found him in the hotel dead.
Elvis Presley.
Yeah, Elvis Presley. That hotel, they had they didn't rent that room. They had it kind of set off as a memorial type thing. But before he went to Vegas, that was the last place he stayed. It was kind of cool. I mean, it's not cool that Elvis died, but
The river, honey.
yeah, it's
You cannot see the water.
not that side either.
Always foggy.
In a quarter mile, keep to the left on I-75
I'm going
north.
to take Pete Adams' advice. He said stay in the second lane from the cement barrier. Pete's in Ohio.
Crossing border, entering Ohio.
Whoa, we are here in Ohio. My favorite. My city favorite.
Keep to the left on I-75 north.
You see your city from a different angle this time.
Yes.
Instead of going right there down past the station.
That's Cincinnati.
Continue on this road for 4.0 miles.
Ohio, find it here. We need to find a winning Powerball ticket. I don't know, honey. Cincinnati's a little boring this way.
Oh. It's raining. It's raining.
Yeah, that's true. I just find it incredible we were in the traffic jam coming into the city during afternoon rush when everybody's leaving the city. You'd have swore we were coming into the city in the morning. Now we're coming out of the city and we're rolling along good, and look over there. They're headed into the city and they're in a backup. Go figure. But
This side too.
yeah, so I mean it's crazy. Backup is
It's not.
going into the city.
Yeah.
It's Friday night. I don't
No.
think
Maybe because it's raining all day, so that's why. Or maybe because there's no holiday anymore.
that's right. I think it is people are just heading home.
Oh,
From
people
wherever
work,
they
home,
were.
Going home.
But all right, I think we're good. I hope. So we will end this now. Thank you for watching, everybody. Please subscribe, comment, share, and like. Until next time.
Take care.